In the last video, we answered what is generative UX research and why to do it. In this video, we will focus on what is evaluative UX research and how to tackle it. This lesson is the fourth lesson out of the 8 parts to explain user experience research. Welcome to. What is evaluative research? Evaluative research, also known as evaluation research or program evaluation, is a type of research you can use to evaluate a product or concept and collect data that helps improve your solution. Evaluative research plays a crucial part in the product development process. Evaluation research is introduced in the early phase of the design process to test existing or new solutions and continue to be employed iteratively until the product becomes mature. Evaluative research is used to make sure the value is there so that additional efforts and resources are not wasted. Evaluative research does not stop when our new product is launched to provide a better user experience. Products need to be monitored after release and improved based on customer feedback. Also, evaluative research can be conducted on competitor product to understand what solutions work well in the current market before you start building your own. Why is evaluative research important? Evaluative research allows you to test a solution and collect valuable feedback that can help you refine and improve the user experience. Findings from evaluative research are key to assessing what works and what does not. This helps us in identifying areas of improvement. This will also help you to understand the right requirements for your user personas and if you are building the right solution for your audience. Also, the insight that you get from this type of research can demonstrate the effectiveness and impact of your product. You can show this information to stakeholders to get approvals and funding for future projects and achieve your product goal efficiently. And by liking the video and subscribing to our channel, you are helping others find this great free UX resource. Help design community now. Type of evaluative research studies. There are two types of evaluative research studies you can tap into: summative and formative research. Summative research. A summative evaluation helps you understand how a design performs overall. It's usually done at the end of the design process to evaluate its usability or detect overlooked issues. You can also use a summative evaluation to benchmark your new solution against a prior one or that of a competitor and understand if the final product needs assessment. Formative research. Formative research is conducted early and often during the design process to test and improve a solution before arriving at a final one. Running a formative evaluation allows you to test and identify issues in the solutions as you are creating them and improve them based on user feedback. How to choose the right evaluative research method? Part of the research design process is choosing the type of evaluation that best suits your project and then determining which research method you will use. This largely depends on your project requirements. It can range from usability testing to tree testing, surveys or card sorting. Once the designs are done, we can also undergo A/B testing to find the right fit. Evaluative research question examples. To gather valuable data and make better design decisions, you need to ask the right research questions. Here are some examples of evaluative research questions. Usability questions. How would you go about performing task? How was your experience completing task? How did you find navigation to so and so page? Based on the previous task, how would you prefer to do this action instead? When it comes to product survey, you can use this questionnaire examples. Product survey question. How often do you use the product feature? How satisfied are you with the product feature? Do the product feature help you achieve your goals? How easy is the product feature to use? And for card sorting, we use such questions. Closed card sorting questions. Were there any categories you were unsure about? Which categories were you unsure about? Why were you unsure about the following categories? And to conclude, when we need to test the product from its early stage to the execution and even after it hits the market, evaluative research is the method of choice. Also, evaluative research helps you align your resources in the right direction throughout the entire life cycle of a product. If you like this lesson and it provided you value, don't forget to like and share. This is the fourth chapter of 8 in the series, so do subscribe for further updates and don't forget to press the bell icon.